We are now at the second video of this section, installing software and setting up. In the previous video, we looked at some important concepts of machine learning. In this video, we will install Python and set our system to get started with machine learning programs. For most projects in this course, we need scikit-learn. You can refer to this website for installation. Similarly, we need matplotlib, which you can download from here. Both packages require NumPy, but we also need SciPy for sparse matrices as mentioned before. The scikit-learn library is a machine learning package, which is optimized for performance as a lot of the code runs almost as fast as equivalent C code. The same statement is true for NumPy and SciPy. There are various ways to speed up the code, however they are out of the scope for this course. So if you want to know more, please consult the documentation. Matplotlib is a plotting and visualization package. We can also use the Seaborn package for visualization. Seaborn uses Matplotlib under the hood. There are several other Python visualization packages that cover different usage scenarios. Matplotlib and Seaborn are mostly useful for the visualization for small to medium datasets. The NumPy package offers the NdArray class and various useful array functions. The NdArray class is an array that can be one or multidimensional. This class also has several subclasses representing matrices, masked arrays, and heterogeneous record arrays. In machine learning, we mainly use NumPy arrays to store feature vectors or matrices composed of feature vectors. SciPy uses NumPy arrays and offers a variety of scientific and mathematical functions. We also require the Pandas library for data wrangling. In this course, we will use Python 3. As you may know, Python 2 will no longer be supported after 2020, so I strongly recommend switching to Python 3. If you're stuck with Python 2, you should still be able to modify the example code to work for you. In my opinion, the Anaconda Python 3 distribution is the best option. Anaconda is a free Python distribution for data analysis and scientific computing. It has its own package manager, Conda. The distribution includes more than 200 Python packages, which makes it very convenient. For casual users, the Miniconda distribution may be the better choice. Miniconda contains the Conda package manager and Python. The procedures to install Anaconda and Miniconda are similar. Obviously, Anaconda takes more disk space. You can follow the instructions from the Anaconda website at this website. First, you have to download the appropriate installer for your operating system and Python version. Sometimes you can choose between a GUI and a command line installer. I used the Python 3 installer, although my system Python version is 2.7. This is possible since Anaconda comes with its own Python. On my machine, the Anaconda installer created an Anaconda directory in my home directory and required about 900 megabytes. The Miniconda installer installs a Miniconda directory in your home directory. For installation instructions for NumPy, you can browse through this web link. Alternatively, we can install NumPy with pip command. At the command prompt, just type pip install NumPy and press enter. Since I have already installed it, it returns the message that requirement is already satisfied. You can also run the command conda install numpy to do the same. As you run this command, it will initiate the installation. You may need to wait for a few minutes while the installation is in progress. Now to install the other dependencies. Substitute NumPy by the appropriate package. Please read the documentation carefully. Not all options work equally well for each operating system. The Pandas installation documentation is available at this website. You can browse through and learn more. There may be some who want to troubleshoot and may need to ask for help. Currently, the best forum is stackoverflow.com. You can also reach out on mailing lists or IRC chat. Here's the mailing list for scikit-learn You can find it by browsing this URL. For NumPy and SciPy mailing list, you can visit this website. Similarly, for IRC channels like #scikit-learn, you can go to this website. And for #SciPy at the rate Freenode, you can browse this website. So these are all the troubleshooting options available for you. Cool! We just finished our first mile in the Python and machine learning journey. Through this section, we got familiar with the basics of machine learning. We started with what machine learning is all about. We also learned typical machine learning tasks and explored several essential techniques of working with data and working with models. Now that we are equipped with basic machine learning knowledge and also got software and tools set up, let's get ready for the real-world machine learning examples ahead. In the next section, we will explore the 20 newsgroup dataset with text analysis algorithms.